passenger plane with 100 people on board has crashed in Kazakhstan's Almaty airport after its lost altitude. As per media reports, the crash has left at least 9 people dead, confirmed local aviation authorities in the Central Asian nation. Out of the 9 dead, 6 have been identified as children. Moilang Salai Yakaipung is observing Wakching Kumhoba at the first Manipur Rifles Complex in Imphal. The day marks the arrival of Wakching month in accordance to the Manipuri lunar calendar. Personnel of Border Security Force seized as many as 208 cattle along the international border in Meghalaya during the past 2 days. According to media reports, the cattle were meant for smuggling to Bangladesh. With increase in cattle smuggling, the BSF has intensified its vigil along international border and carried out a special search operation in Kulyang forest close to the international border. The Uttar Pradesh government has placed the state on high alert and blacked out internet connectivity in 12 districts over concerns of further protests against the Citizenship Amendment Act erupting after the Friday prayers. Until reports last came in, internet connectivity was suspended in parts of Uttar Pradesh. No such action was taken in state capital Lucknow, even though it has also witnessed clashes between the police and protesters last week. Assam filmmaker Anupam Kaushik Borua's Bornodi Bhotiai has been selected as the best film for the 4th edition of Sailadhar Borua Film Awards, Northeast 2019. As per media reports, this was announced by the office bearers of the Sailadhar Borua Memorial Trust in Guwahati yesterday. The 5th National Kung Fu Championship 2019 will be held from 20th December till December 30 at Sai Baba Sevadham, Khanepata of Maharashtra. Kung Fu Sports Association of Maharashtra is organizing the event.